Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake frosting. First, ensure your cream cheese is fully softened to avoid any lumps. Use unsalted butter at room temperature for the best texture and consistency. Powdered sugar is crucial for a smooth, silky finish, so don't substitute it. Finally, a good quality vanilla extract will elevate the overall flavor profile of your delicious homemade frosting. To achieve that perfect, creamy texture, begin by beating the softened cream cheese and butter together until they are light and fluffy. Gradually incorporate the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, to prevent any lumps from forming. Mix on a low speed to avoid overwhipping, which can make the frosting too thin. If needed, add a small splash of milk or heavy cream to reach your desired consistency. Cheesecake frosting is incredibly versatile, allowing for many delicious flavor variations. For a bright, zesty twist, try adding some fresh lemon zest. If you love chocolate, incorporate a few tablespoons of cocoa powder into the mix. A hint of almond extract can offer a unique and sophisticated flavor profile. You can even add a small amount of instant coffee powder for a delightful mocha version. Once your delicious frosting is made, store any leftovers in an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next dessert creation. When you're ready to use it again, simply let it come to room temperature for easy spreading and a smooth application. For meal prep and other kitchen essentials, check out the link in the description below, along with other great deals. This ensures your frosting is always perfect for your treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.